Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at Matplotlib inside the Pyplot library, Pyplot module, messing around with a pie chart. So alright, let's do it this way. Matplotlib import Pyplot as PLT. So alright, pie charts are pretty simple and pretty cool. So with this being a Python page, this isn't going to be too controversial, but languages. So alright, let's give it Python and then everything else. Alright, everything else sucks, but alright, percent 99 and 1. So alright, here we go. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So how it goes in here, let's just run this and then pull up the pie chart in the Pyplot module. So okay, help plt dot pie. So okay, let's move this over so we can see. All right, X labels. We won't deal with colors. We're just gonna chart this the first time. So alright, this is going to be our values. These are going to be our labels. So alright, plt dot pie dot percent, then language. Okay, oops, and I forgot to say this is labels. There we go. Go to the end, do this. All right, and then PLT. What's super important after we chart something? We got to make sure we show it. So here we go. And just something really, really funny. 99% of people love Python, and the 1% that is weird. So alright, here are the super important features, of course. These have to be corresponding, and this has to total 100. That's pretty much the rule, and that's bare bones, and we're going to do more with this. You can get very fancy with the pie chart very, very quickly, but that's your bare bones pie chart from the Pyplot module from the Matplotlib library. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you've not done those by now. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.